Want to speed up your content creation process with AI? ElevenLabs can help you create realistic voiceovers for YouTube videos, podcasts, social media content, online courses, audiobooks, and much more. In this guide, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs for content creation in 2026. Before opening ElevenLabs, decide what type of content you're creating. This could be a video, podcast episode, tutorial, presentation, audiobook, or social media post. Having a clear plan will make the rest of the process much easier. Next, create a script for your content. Focus on clear, conversational language and proper punctuation. Well-written scripts usually produce more natural-sounding voiceovers. Sign in to ElevenLabs and navigate to the text-to-speech tool. This is where you'll convert your written script into audio. Browse the voice library and select a voice that matches your content style. You can choose professional, conversational, educational, storytelling, or other voice types depending on your audience. Paste your script into the editor, review the settings, and generate the voiceover. Listen to the result and make any adjustments needed before downloading. Download the generated audio and import it into your preferred editing software. You can combine the narration with video clips, images, animations, subtitles, music, or sound effects. One of the biggest advantages of ElevenLabs is versatility. The same workflow can be used for YouTube videos, podcasts, training materials, presentations, product demos, marketing content, and more. Once your project is complete, export it and publish it on your chosen platform. Whether it's YouTube, social media, a website, or a podcast platform, your AI-generated narration is ready to go, and that's how to use ElevenLabs for content creation. By combining strong scripts, realistic AI voices, and quality editing, you can create professional content faster and more efficiently. So start with a simple project and build a workflow that works best for your content goals. Thanks for watching.